Well, bought another piece of equipment for the acreage. Homestead. I mean, I like digging. I got several different types of shovels. But hey, I can really get things done with this. My cellar, extend the dugout, trench out the little creek, the creek. It's going to be good. $1,500. It's only got 30 hours on it. Hey, Puss, do you agree? Do you approve? You approve? Thank you. Okay, I just felled these 2 trees, but I'm going to test out this my backhoe now. Just got her today. I'm just going to try and remove that stump there, old stump. But the gentleman I got it off of, he said he did have it hooked to his quad, like for a counterbalance and whatnot. But I think I'll hook it up properly. You see, you lift up the front apparently, take the wheels off, put on the back, and put outriggers on the front. So I'll rig that up first, and then we'll give her a go and see if we can get rid of that stump. And then shortly, once I cut these trees out of the way again, buck up these trees, I'm going to get it back into the bush here and dig out my you kind of see it back there. I've been digging out by hand. I'm down about 3 feet by 6 feet for my cellar, but it'll be much easier and better with this baby. So let's see how it works. Okay, we've got the outriggers on and wheels on the back. I think I have the outriggers the right way. Prongs will dig in there. I think I get more stability that way. Keep in mind, I've never operated one of these before. So I'm going to try and clean out this stump here and just test it out. See what I can do.